In this video, we are discussing arithmetic operators available in Java.
In this demonstration, we are going to discuss different arithmetic operators whatever available in our Java code. We have defined three variables of type integer, and here we have defined one scanner class object. This scanner class object, using it we shall take inputs from the keyboard, and then we are going to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and other arithmetic operations using Java arithmetic operators. So scanner is equal to new scanner. So this is a new scanner is a constructor we are calling, so that we can instantiate this scanner object. And system.in, it is depicting that from the system's default input device, that is our keyboard, will be getting stream of characters. And then we are taking this input from the keyboard, and also we are converting it to the respective integer using this method next int, and that will be assigned to a at first, and next time I'm calling scanner.next int method, it is assigning the input integer value to b variable. And now we are doing this addition. The addition operator is plus, subtraction operator is minus, there is a multiplication operator star, there is a arithmetic division operation, that is our slash font slash. Here we are having the remainder operation to get, there is a modulus, we are getting this one as percentage, and in this way whatever the results we are getting, and they are getting printed accordingly. So in this way, and at the end of the code we are just closing the scanner object. So we are going to use different arithmetic operators in this demonstration. So let me execute my code here. So enter the value of a and b, that means this line is getting executed. So now it is asking to input two values, and first value will be assigned to a and the second value will be assigned to b. Let us suppose I'm putting the value say 100 and say 12. In that case, what we are getting after addition, it is 112, it's perfectly okay. Subtraction 88. After multiplication means we are doing this one using this star, that is the multiplication here we are having, so that is 1200. Here we are doing this division operation, this arithmetic division using this slash font slash. A and b both are of the type of integer, so the quotient will be also of the type of integer. Result has been defined as integer type of variable, so we are not going to get any fractional part here, so we are getting 8. And then remainder, that means 100 by 12, that means 100% is 12 here to get the remainder, and as a remainder we are getting here 4. So in this demonstration we have explained that what are the different arithmetic operators in Java available and how to use them in our Java code.